Hello traders, welcome back to this channel. So today I'm gonna show you how I made $400. $400 in 1 hour by trading stocks. So the first thing, let me show you guys how I did that in this video. Let's move this a little bit. So it started right here. So the video is shown right there. The time is at 7 a.m. The current price 16.75. at $17 right now, so I'm trying to get in with the limit price. It's always the safest things to do. So 17.47 jumped up again. 17.47, welcome back and see, put in $3,000, 300 shares, 300 shares, around 300 shares, yeah, we'll see. 17.51, it's called CBIO. The stock ticker is called the stock, it goes by CBIO. CBIO 1751 now, 1751. So I'm trying to get in here. Let me see. Boom, right there. I got in 1587. I waited for the dip, but I did a mistake about a highest high. Then eventually went up again too. That's how I made $400. So right there, as you can see, 118 negative. I'm down 118, 225 now. 225 because I bought it too high. I bought 200 shares. The market cap, you can see $4 million, 1560. It would be a perfect price to buy it again. Perfect. 1561 because it has so much value, so much attention from all the investors, all the traders. So 1574, I bought it there. Let me see, 3,126 total equity in this stock. 1579, it's gonna shoot up, boom, to $18 easy. So $138 down, which is 4% of overall equity. Let me see, 1556, 1 year, it was at $10 at some 1 day, 5 years, yeah. Let me see, 1557 now, 109. I didn't go by that. Well, okay, now it's 100. Let me, boom, right there. 1526, 1526, $3,021, negative $258, 325. Wow. So this is one of the mistakes I did, but I got my money and sold it off right away. I made $400. I waited for it. So you need to be patient when you buy a stock. You have to know when to buy, when to go in, and when to go out. When to buy it and when to sell it. So now I'm negative $68. So I was at 300 down, now it's $68. $60 now. We'll see. 1610, boom. That's the reversal. That's the spike up. It's gonna shoot up to the moon. To the moon, as stock twits people will say. Shoot up to the moon. Shoot up to the moon. So if this is you guys' first time watching my video or visiting my channel, please hit the subscription button down there to, boom, right there, $44. I made for $44. Boom, right there, 1662. Check this out. It's gonna go up all the way to 200, 300, 400, 1,000, 2,000. Over exaggerating. 1704, 1710, $140 in profit, 127. As we can see. So yeah, please hit the subscription button down there. I always talk about investing, trading stocks. Always talk about my gains and my losses. I'm 1723. If you're a beginner trader, so 210, just email me. I'll shoot my email down there too. If you have any question about trading in pennies in the market in general. So $419. That's I made $419 at 747. Right there on top right hand corner, 747, close to 8 a.m. I traded this for 1 hour. For how long? 1 hour. 1855. 430. So now 464. So now it's time to sell. Even though it's gonna go up again, so I'm just gonna do a stop loss if it goes below 18 something. Let me see, 1855. I'm doing it in 1850. If it goes down below 1850, it will sell itself automatically. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please hit the subscription down below, and we'll see you guys soon.